One trade today, one loser. Um, Honestly, probably shouldn't have taken it, and I kind of forced it in the end. So, two very good setups that I kind of missed, but we'll get into it. So TPO overlapping lower. It's kind of all over the place. Floor pivots were overlapping higher. Cams were higher, so mixed signals there. But open was above value area high, and then above range also. So mainly I wanted to long this area here at 73.53 to 44, and then if it comes up here to H3, 74.47 to 74.50 or so, the supply zone, I want to short that. So it kind of worked out, but not really where I wanted to. So it starts selling off, and I want it to come into 73.53, but it comes down to 66 or so. Yeah, 66. So about 13 points off my level here. So I really wanted to wait until it comes into this area, but I don't know. Over here, the sell-off started slowing down. High volume basing candle here, and then another break of lows, but reclaim. And also this RSI over here, it was forming a normal RSI divergence. So I was thinking if it does come down even lower, it'll probably break the lows on RSI, so it wouldn't be as good of confirmation. It'd be better if my value area high level was over here, and then it'd be great confirmations because RSI divergence here, and then nice high volume 3-minute hammer or basing candle, and also a high volume basing candle on 1 minute. So a lot of good confirmations there going on. So yeah, it comes down to 66. I'm seeing this kind of a B-shaped form here. So in the context of RSI divergence, it breaks the lows and then comes back up. Forms almost a 2-minute delta divergence here, and a bulge here with the POC at the same place. So then it comes down again, and then what happens is it forms another kind of a 2-minute delta divergence here, 20 range delta divergence, and it starts seemingly holding that high volume node bulge here. So what I wanted to do was long here, right at 74 or so, with the stop under the 66s. That would have been about an 8-point risk there, and wouldn't have been bad. And I said, it's a nice little B shape here again, while it's holding this little bulge there, with the POC at the lows at that B shape. And I said, if it was at my level, I would definitely consider taking it long here. And so I was thinking about it, but in the end, I said, look, it's not in my plan. I should wait until this level. I shouldn't take it earlier, like 13 points above my level. I was trying to be really disciplined. I was trying to be really patient, and then it just rallied. Yeah, so would have been a great freaking trade, but my level was just not there. It should have been over here. But instead, no, my level was 13 points lower. Why? I don't know. But yeah, should have been, what, 30 points? Or I guess it would have been a little bit less than that. But yeah, 25 points. Should have been a great trade. But my level was off. And then I pretty much did nothing here. But I saw this starting to form yesterday high. It broke the highs here, but with RSI normal divergence there. And then as it broke the highs, I saw this huge volume 1-minute shooting star. And then it formed a 3-minute shooting star also, as it formed the highs. And as it comes up here to 74.20 yesterday high, I'm looking at this. Well, I'm not really looking at this, but I'm seeing confirmations here. So as it breaks these highs here, forms a delta divergence on the 2 minute. Also a nice P shape here. And then another delta divergence on the 20 range chart. Also on the 1 minute chart. Delta divergence there on that high volume shooting star. Yeah, 20 range delta divergence, 2 minute delta divergence, 1 minute delta divergence, RSI normal divergence, a 1 minute high volume shooting star, and then a 3 minute high volume shooting star. So great confirmations right at this level, not in the plan. Yesterday's high, I don't like taking anyways. So I said good confirmations, but I don't take yesterday high setups, right? And also it's not in my plan, so I shouldn't take it. And I was trying to be really disciplined here. I was trying to be very patient here and wait for H3, and yeah, it just sells off. So great, just beautiful. 27 points right there. So could have gone 25, could have gone 27. Didn't take both because it was not in my plan, which is completely valid. But why is it not in my plan? Dumb. And then it finally comes up to H3, and then I just basically force a trade here because I've been waiting all day, right? So comes up, forms kind of a basing candle here. And it's a huge rally on news, I think, too. And then I formed a P shape there, and then started coming down, but I completely ignore these three huge bullish delta divergences. Do I know why? No. And then it just started tanking here. Bunch of sellers here at 74.45, and then comes down. So yeah, so I completely ignore that and take that short, and yeah, not good. Somebody's selling at these 40s here, or buying at these 40s. Every time it comes down to 40s, just keeps getting bought up. 40s, bought up, 40s, bought up, and then stops me up. So yeah, great. And then it rallies into supply and then sells off. Yeah, right when I'm not there, when I'm not trading. Just fabulous day overall. Yeah. And that wasn't my plan. Supply, sell off, right? But no, I mean, I don't know, shouldn't have taken any trade, honestly. The ones that I don't take work out, and the ones I do take I force, and it doesn't work out, and it's dumb. And now it's just selling off like crazy, just like how it was in my plan. So great piece of freaking trading here.